Hello and welcome to our Day in the Life series at Eglo UK. Today we'll give you a brief look at an average day for our incredible warehouse team. Here's our warehouse operative Sean, getting ready for the day. With his new shoes and high vis on, it's time to enter the warehouse. Sean taps away on his computer, checking what tasks need to be completed today. Safety is paramount at Eglo UK. We don't want any accidents. Don't worry, Sean isn't fighting our forklift. He's testing it, ensuring it's safe and ready for our operations manager Ben to use. With the checks complete, it's time to park up. Now it's time to move some pallets. Say hello, Ben. Ben's just putting away this pallet of new stock, each full of our incredible lighting products. Once that is done, it's time to return the forklift to its station. Bye, Ben. Now we cut back to wrap up with Sean as he prepares a new pallet for collection. And we're done. All in a day's work at Eglo UK.